Hi, I'm Anita from Coast of Maine Organic Soils, and we're here in Lubec, Maine at Three Dog Farm. And Felicia's a huge market gardener, so she grows rows and rows of potatoes. And if you're going to grow potatoes in your garden and you have the space, you want to use our Quoddy Blend because that's specifically formulated for a raised bed. So I'm going to talk today about growing potatoes in a container. My own garden, with crop rotation, I grow a lot of tomatoes and a lot of peppers and a lot of eggplant, and potatoes are in that same nightshade family, so you really have to practice good crop rotation. So a few years ago, I decided I didn't want to give up on potatoes, so I started growing them in a container, and wow, was it easy. So these are just nursery pots. I buy trees and I save my nursery pots. And it's super easy to grow a potato. So you put a layer of Quoddy Lobster Compost. This is an organic compost, has a lot of biology going on, at the bottom of this size container. Then you plant potatoes, seed potatoes. It's, how your potatoes sometimes when you leave them in the bin too long, they start to sprout. That's a seed potato. So you place these in the bottom. You only have a couple of inches of compost. Then you're putting your potatoes in. And as they grow, this is imperative, you keep putting more compost on top of them. So the potatoes will grow, more compost, potatoes will grow, more compost, till you get to the top of the container. Then you have to understand with potatoes, they can't see light. That's why they're always kept in the dark. Potato turns green, it's poisonous, so you really have to throw it away, which is unfortunate. So you have this container filled to the top and your potatoes are growing and they're beautiful. And then about this time of year, in the fall, the foliage will start to turn brown and you know it's time to harvest. And the beauty about having them in a container is you just dump the whole thing into a wheelbarrow and then you dig through it and you get all these beautiful potatoes. These are 3 different plants, but we just harvest these from Felicia's garden. Look at this purple potato. And again, if you're going to grow potatoes, grow cool varieties because you can buy the others in the store, but you can't get this. So again, lobster compost, a container. It's super easy. Try it.